A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Our greetings of peace. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh to all the listeners and viewers of the Voice FM Cotabato. We would like to extend our greetings of Ramadan al-Mubarak to all Muslim Ummah, especially in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, from Cotabato City to island provinces and mainland provinces of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Our institution is an inclusive university in which we are catering Muslims, non-Muslims, and IPs. And we would like to extend again our heartfelt greetings of Ramadan Mubarak to each and everyone, especially to our students, to the parents of our students, the alumni, and all the stakeholders of the Cotabato State University this holy month of Ramadan in 2024. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.